Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily like Instagram stories. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then you can hit at someone's story, and then right here at the bottom right corner you can see that heart icon. You can just tap on that to like that story. And also, if someone liked your story, you can see this likes activity right here. You can tap where it says activity to see all the users that viewed and liked your story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.